Hello viewers across the globe, welcome to Infodem once again. This is the continuation of our computer program, online computer training lessons, and right now we are going deeper and deeper by the day. Right now we will be taking Microsoft Word, and I will not want us to rush this lesson so that we can get the best out of it. So as you can see, what we have right here is Microsoft Word, and in our last video we label it so that when we enter into this video, it will be easier for us to identify. As you all know, this is the interface of Microsoft Word document. So right now we are going to be taking it one after the other. If you see the ribbon here, this is what we call ribbon. Everything here down here is ribbon. There are so many functions there that we need to be learning one after the other. As you can see, this is file, this is home, this is insert, this is design, this is layout, and so on. Under this file there are so many things that we need to learn. Home, this is what we are seeing right now. Insert, there are so many things we need to learn. Design, there are so many things we need to learn. So in this video we are going to be talking about file. What are the features under file that we need to know? So right now let me click the file. Okay, this is file. As you can see, the first feature that you see here is home, which is if you want to go to home. If I click it, this is your home. This is your home. Then the next one that you see here is new. New means that you want to open new document, you want to start another work, you want to open new sheet to start typing. So if you click new, it's going to open, as you can see now. So once you click new, you can come here. If you need blank document, you can click it. But if you need document of this type, customize one, this is the type of letter that you want to write. You want to write something like this, you already see the format here. You just come to any of these that you want to do and click it, then you begin to edit and begin to write what you want to write. So that is about new. The next one here is open. For example, if the essence of this, let me open this document, that's new. As you can see, it has gone to new document. So right now let me, okay, for example, open now. Probably you want to open a flash or your memory, your laptop memory. You want to copy something there, or you want to insert something from there. This is where you have, that's why you have open here. If I click it, if I click open, as you can see, these are the document on my system. I can copy anyone from here into that place. As you can see, this folder. If I want to go and bring anything from the folder, I can just click folder here and go and copy whatsoever that I want to copy. For example, okay, let me copy something like this. Okay, let me copy something like this. As you can see, it will appear immediately. So that is for that. Then the next one is information is all about the information about this the document that you are working on presently, and also information about your system. So that is it. Now here is very, very important. This is save. For example, if you are working for the first time, okay, let me go to new again. Let me go to new again. As you can see, let's say I'm working for the first time and I want to save. I will advise you, if you are learning computer, don't learn the shortcut first. Know all these features first before you learn the shortcut. As a matter of fact, in this tutorial, subsequently we are going to be dropping all the shortcuts that you need to know. So if I'm working, I'm saving for the first time, I will use save. Now when you use save, it will show you where do you want to save the document. Are you saving it on PC? Are you saving it on browser? Or you've already created a folder where you want to save the document. For example, if I want to save it on desktop, that is, I want to be seeing it on my desktop, I'll just click it. Then once I click desktop, I will title it. Let me title it. Let me put a file name to it. Okay, let me say lesson 2. Okay, as you can see, then I will click save. So if I go to my desktop right now, it will be there. It will be there. As you can see, this is it. Where is it? Look at it here. Here is the lesson 2. This is what I just said. Okay, now that is to save. Now there's another one here, save as. How do you save as? Okay, for example, I just feel like I need to double this document because I want to make another addition to this, and I don't want to lose the previous one. So what do? Let's assume that, just looking at me, let's assume that I want to now add to this document. Okay, now I've added to this document, but I still want to maintain the previous one. So I want to save this one on a separate place. So what do? I come as save as. When I come as save as, I still click the desktop. The first one will save it with lesson 2. Now this one, let's say lesson 2 now. Lesson 2. So as you can see, this is lesson 2. Then I save as. So when I go to my desktop, you will notice that the 2 will be there. This is the first one, which is lesson 1. Then, so that is how it works. So the next thing now, let us go to the file again. As you can see, this is print. You want to print. There's what I need to teach you. Maybe I will take this print separate in a short video, so that whenever you are printing, you want to print on both sides, you want to print on single side, you want to do all that, you should know that, because it's somehow wide also, so it's somehow broad, a little bit broad. So if you want to print, you come to print here, you click it, then your printer will appear, as you can see. Then the next thing you do, but make sure that you've already, connected your printer. Then the next thing you need to do here is to click print. So if you have done that, this is another one you share. If you want to share in your email, you want to share to blog the document that you just finished typing, you just share from here direct. Or you want to save in cloud, that is how to go about it. Then we have export here. Export is another way of creating your Word in PDF. You can export your Word in PDF. For example, okay, let's go, let me practicalize this. This is our document and I want to export it in PDF. Let's wait and see, because it's in Word, you can edit it now. It's in soft copy now. So let me export it. Now I want to create it in PDF. As you can see, okay, let me give it to PDF. So as you can see, so I want to publish it. Right now I've successfully done that. It's asking me to get app to open it. I can use any app. I can use this one. I can use any. Okay, let me just use this one so that you can see what I'm talking about. As you can see, this is already in PDF. Look at it here. As a matter of fact, let me go to where it is saved. If it's saved anywhere, look at it here. It's already in PDF. That is how to convert your Word to PDF, how to print in PDF. So that is about that. So let us go and finish it up. Then this one is closed. If you are finished, you want to close this page that you are seeing right now, you just click close. As you can see, you close your work totally. So that is about file. In our subsequent video, we are going to enter insert. We are going to be talking about all the functions here. Under insert, you can see table. That is where you see table is very broad. but we are not going to rush, so that we can get the best out of this teaching. We are going to enter inside. We are going to talk about table, cover page, and the rest of them. So I want to encourage you to subscribe to InfoDem, like this video, share this video, because here you can learn computer and be very, very good at operating computer. So till I see you in my next video, I want to say, be good and know that Jesus is Lord.